Rolling on rolling green.
Hide and seek all the
Chasing you on the green hills. Fire upon
green hills,
the brimstone upon.
the green hills.
Where do you think you're going? I got you! Pathetic attempt at running. Too slow. Wanna try again?
You're too slow.
There's no point in trying to outrun the fastest thing alive. Where are you? You can't hide from your demise. I'll find you eventually. I know you're nearby. Get over here! That was almost too easy. You survivors are getting more gullible by the day. I'd like to see you try and escape now! Your struggle is pathetic! Can't escape me now! I was always stronger! Always! You'll never be stronger than me! The ultimate life form! I'm gonna get ya! You can't escape from me! I am faster than you, and always will be! You took the name Noob way too seriously. Any first words? You contribute nothing to your team. Aren't you supposed to be in the Wizard of Oz or something? Looking at you makes me mad. So much for having that second life. The last death? Well, not anymore. You smell like ashes. You're the easiest survivor to insult. Looks like luck isn't on your side, gambler. Your sister's there. Best Father of the Year award goes to not you. Veronica.
Dead or alive is mine, and